Any expectation I had coming into this thing would be totally blown away.
Ride fast and take chances.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Hey everybody, welcome to Multi-Venture 15 of the Alive Worldwide Motorcycle Tour. February 9th, 2026. All the crews getting set up, the guests are on their way in. Let's get this tour started. What's up, dude?
Hello, man.
Let's do it.
Well, gentlemen, not only did you have the courage to find out and be like, what is this Alive Worldwide all about?
You also have
The balls!
What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Patrick, I'm from Montreal. Can't wait to see what the hell is going on out there.
My name is Jeffrey. I'm from Charleston, South Carolina, and man, I just want to get out here, ride with some good dudes, improve my skill set, and just have a fucking good time, you know?
All right. The evaluations of A group and B group. It's the first time that these gentlemen have gotten on the bike and actually starting to, you know, tear up some dirt, dust up this place. Sometimes the guys find their limits. Some guys do great. You got to think that they're also pretty nervous about the whole thing. We give a lot of grace with these guys, but this is the part of the day where we really start to evaluate what their skills are and get them set into the proper group based off the skill level.
We got C group on the little track right now. We're getting a little comfortable with not being around him.
That's whiskey throwing. Well, on the first one.
Hey, good save. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, hey, take a seat for a sec.
Okay. That's a good learning lesson.
You know what that is? Whiskey throttle. All right? You just experienced whiskey throttle. That's exactly what you don't want to do.
Over there too, I felt like I was putting too much weight on my arm.
Good.
It can be.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Dude, that was a fucking beautiful
Get off the
ride.
half, dude.
Bro, I got
That's
that.
why we're out here. We're trying not to do that. We're gonna achieve that. Just give us time.
I got the shot.
Awesome.
Are you all good?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm
Yeah,
fine.
we can show you. You're all good though, right?
Yeah, I'm all good. Not to do.
That was scary.
It happens. It's a
I was like,
one.
I don't even know which way to go. I'm like, where is this cat going? And then he slung the bike, so it really wouldn't have
Let me
mattered.
tell
I
ya.
could have been standing absolutely
Hey,
anywhere.
That one, that was gnarly, but that was mellow
Yeah.
compared to some of the shit we've seen.
So it's your birthday, right?
It is 50 today.
50 today, dude.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
25 bonus years. I never thought I was even going to make it to 25, so I'm lucky to be alive, and that's why I wanted to come out here and do it live. Here we are.
Awesome,
Let's
man.
go, baby.
What are you looking forward to the most? What are you anticipating?
Camaraderie, learning, getting some new friends, spending time with old friends, and just having some spot well moments with friends I already have, you know, doing this thing on the road and like learning some new skills.
Awesome, dude. Well, happy birthday.
Thanks.
All right, Mike, what part of the adventure are we on right now?
We're on part one. This is called Palomar Hello. So we're gonna take these adventure bikes up the fire roads along the side of the Mount Palomar Range, and we're gonna end up in Warner Springs. It's pretty epic, so I'm pumped about it.
Gotcha.
Let this be the example of what not to do. He spends so much time in the office working on a live that when he gets out, he is just like a wild dog.
That was a workout. I bet. Damn, those ringlets are nasty. I hit one, I just went boink.
Oh, we saw it.
Oh, yeah, we saw it. Yeah, no good, no bueno.
What's up?
Thank you.
What's up, dude?
Hey.
Dude.
Anything is possible. That's what I would say to anybody. Like, if you put your mind to it, you can absolutely do it. It just takes one foot in front of the other. Like, you can't do it sitting still and doing nothing. You get the same results. You don't get anything from doing nothing. Get out and do something.
What are your first impressions rolling up?
That's like an oasis. It makes no sense. I mean, I just unbelievable. I'm wondering where the heck we're going. And then off in the distance you see this, and it's just terrific. Unbelievable.
Anything you're looking forward to in specific out here in the desert?
Whatever's to come, you know, I have no expectations. Any expectation I had coming into this thing has been totally blown away. So yeah, just keep it coming. I mean, they know what they're doing. These guys know what they're doing. Unbelievable.
We just got back from pounding the pavement, 2 days worth so far, and now we're ready to burn. Well, shred some sand, baby. We're gonna get some. Let's go.
Whoever stays in the bath the longest gets to stay in the Airstream these next 2 nights. Oh. With a friend of your choice.
Andrew.
You guys are partying in the Airstream tonight.
Are we living? Are we?
This is real, right? This is real. It ain't no jive.
We're starting day 3 of the Alive Worldwide Motorcycle Tour. We just had breakfast. Bill and the boys cook it up. Campfire's going. Now we've got the slow bike challenge.
Amazing.
I was born for survival. Look straight in the eyes of a tiger. You should warn all my rivals. I aim for them like a sniper. Got the heart of a lion. There ain't no denying. Made a promise I plan to keep. Blood, sweat, and tears. Now we're about to shift gears. I'ma knock you right off your feet.
Yeah, so this challenge is the hill climb challenge. We set up 5 gates as you come up, 10, 20, 30, 40 points, and the top is 100 points. Hopefully we see some epic hill climbs.
Down on there's an angel singing. It ain't over till it's over. It's a cold day about to get colder. I was raised by a fire, tension's getting higher. Glory's within my reach. Aiming for the sky like a Rocky Mountain high, and there ain't nothing that's gonna stop me. Can you hear the thunder roll? Welcome to the jungle. I'ma take what's mine and take what's yours. Lord have mercy for the coming storm. So bonafide you can't ignore.
You know, that fear creeps in you. Fear is a powerful thing. Kept thinking, man, it's just like, I'm not gonna get today again. I'm not gonna get this opportunity. What story am I gonna tell to my daughter or my wife when I get home? Am I gonna say that I did it, or am I gonna say that I stood by and watched others do it? I don't wanna be the one that just stood by and let others do the thing that I wanted to be able to do.